The second is classes. This is a card view which is not totally defined yet. But yeah, as soon as the data points keep coming precisely, we'll keep on there. Right now we have very basic, like the class, who is conducting, where is the location, what is the pricing, what a little data over there, and then what is the start date, end date, what is the age requirement, and how many batches does this class have. You can see the card view. You can also see the list view, which is not here yet, but yeah, there's gonna be a list view also if you want to see. Once you click on the class, you go on the class profile. You can see here about class, a little description about the class which the academy has set during while creating the class. You can see the batches. So for this class, let's say like there's an academy
Sorry,
which
Rahul
takes
Prasad,
regular.
can I ask questions or you want to finish?
Yeah. No, no,
Why,
you can say.
why about class, like about the class on the back end?
No, this is you can just see over here. It's gonna be on the front as well.
Arey, Rahul, to put it,
Ah, okay, to put it in the front end. Okay.
Yeah,
you need to put it in the back end, right?
yeah. So you can just see, what you have written. That's it. It's like a profile for your own class. Here you can see so I can continue. Hello.
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
So in that, let's say, regular football coaching. There's an academy which gives football coaching regularly. So it's not necessary that for one coaching they have only one batch. They can create multiple batches like batch one, batch two, batch three, which you will see in your calendar. You can change the month,
Your
like the
voice again,
same
Rahul
view which
Prasad, your
you.
voice again. Your voice is,
Hello, hello.
yeah, it's better now. It's better.
Yeah, yeah. So you can see in the calendar view all the classes with the color code of batches. If you want to create a new batch, you click on add new, and then you will go through the entire process of creating a new batch. Next up,
No, but this is different batches or in that particular on that
require.
particular ground, right? Like,
Yeah,
so like
yeah.
I can be an academy who's listed on 10 grounds
Hmm.
and I can have 10 batches per ground. So essentially
Yeah,
I have 100 batches, correct?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can also add in FAQs, which we had on the create coach or create class also session also. We can add FAQs. You can add questions and answers, which are frequently asked. Then again, we have batches listing also. You can see all the batches, which class it is, uh, from for what class it is, what's the venue, what is the timing, what is the frequency. If it is one day, then the like you will see the entire name. If it is frequent, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. Players, how many for that batch? How many? What is the player cap? And how many people are already signed up? What are the number of seats left? And what is the start and the end date? You can see the entire detail of the batch in one table. You can filter it and see if you want to, maybe by time, maybe by frequency, maybe by a class name or the venue. You can click on a batch and then you'll go to the end. Like now, this profile which you are looking right now is a batch profile. We saw the class profile, but for one each batch who was enrolled. Now you can see the start date, the end date, what is the age required, what is the capacity, how many seats are left, what are the batch timings. More actions can be. I've put it, maybe if you want to edit the batch or a little actions like that, which will come in here. You can see how many reviews are there. If you click on reviews, you'll go to the review section. Who is conducting who is conducting this class? So one academy can have multiple coaches. So which coach is assigned to this class? What is the rating of this batch? What is the fees for this? In schedule, I can see for this particular batch. So if I'm saying regular coaching batch one, now the calendar which is shown to me is for regular coaching batch one. I can go see the players. So yesterday we remember we had the app where we posted highlights and it shows okay fine it is valid, this is invalid. So यहाँ पे you can just see the player, what's the mobile number, the status. I have put the status as paid, free trial, and pending because pending. The reason behind pending is that the coach itself can create or add a participant from his end. That I want to invite this, I want to add this person. Just like this is just a function we like one additional function we had where the coach itself can add a person and the person gets a notification, and as soon as they paid from their end, the status will change from pending to paid. Also for the attendance,
Is this
for
the
the
same?
attendance if the
Sorry, 1 second. Is this the same logic
yeah,
as a ground admin creating a game for a regular and then
yeah,
it's
hmm,
remaining same logic, right?
yeah, same logic. So you can add a participant and they will get a notification that this coach has invited you for this game,
Okay,
this class. So they can pay it, or if they want to reject it, it will just remove from here.
sure,
The
sure.
attendance, you can see if the person is present, absent, and also if we remember that we had a login screen for the app. So you know that on this ground, this person has marked the attendance for this person. So using that login, that unique login, we'll get to know that this person was marked by what, which security, which app user. So far, this is what we have done in coaching side.
I have a quick question.
Yeah,
When you go to the name of the batch,
yeah,
um, I mean, I know it's something that you can name it whatever you want, right? Like it does
yeah,
not have to be batch
hmm,
one, batch two, correct? That's
yeah.
it can be under 8, like that, under 10. It
Yeah,
can be like that.
you can name it anything.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I've got a
like,
I've got a technical question. Sorry, but is
yeah.
there have you accounted for a design where at the end of the month you can show the the player or the participant for how many days, like which day was he present, which day was he absent?
Can you repeat the question?
I said like here you're going each day at a time, right? Like 19, 20. Correct. So if you
Yeah.
go, so here if I want to see the first participants his attendance record for the full month,
Okay.
that
Understood.
so like
So you
a
can
like a
each
column.
month.
Just like on this
Hmm.
date he had come, this date he had not come, so that when the reconciling
Yeah.
happens at the back end, the coach knows how many classes he missed, and the parents should also be on the same page, right? So that there's no argument for the fees.
Yeah, I understand what you
You got it,
mean.
no?
Like how our teachers used to carry register like for name, and
Correct, correct,
after
correct.
there's a
So,
column and
so
used
right
to
now
mark.
how they, yeah, because right
Yeah.
now how they function is they have an Excel sheet, and
Yeah.
the coach marks it on an Excel, and then each
Hmm.
player have to go back to it. It was a easier way. So the parent doesn't have access to the Excel until it is sent to them.
Yeah.
Then the parent has to reconfirm कि, अच्छा ये डेट को आया था नहीं आया
Hmm.
था. There's no live mechanism, so I thought I'll ask you.
No, but the parent is so yesterday, Ronak, you missed. I mean, what you're asking for should happen definitely,
Correct.
but just so you what you missed in towards the end of the call
Hmm.
was they ran us through the security system, right?
Oh,
Like
sorry, I didn't see that.
yeah. So what they basically what that does is that it's a live notification that also goes to the parent,
Yeah.
which says that your player has checked in, as in your son or daughter
Correct, but I
or
meant for like reconciling end of the month. How would we?
no, no, that you're right. That it should come as one consolidated thing.
No, so I
So
meant to ask: is it like, so does that come in reports or does it come as a part of the app? Because then again, two different things, right?
that I don't know. I guess they can answer that. Rahul Prasad, would that come as a report, like a monthly report, or would it come as something that one can look at live attendance? Say if I want to look at it 2 weeks before my month is ending,
Like the way
Who is the persona here? That is a question. Who is looking at it?
the
the
coach, I would say,
parent,
at the
the
moment.
coach or the parent, both.
Uh, so I think in your user journey, that persona screens have not yet started only.
Okay.
There is nothing called parent over here, because if there was, then from his login screen there would be a left navigation panel which says, uh, you know, uh, all my, say for example, coachings, and then he clicks on that and he will see that my kid is going into this and this and this coaching currently. और फिर उसको वहां पर उसका कैलेंडर में स्टेटस दिखेगा कि ये red था, green था. That means on this day, this time, this guy went over there. That would answer what you are asking for, but that persona is not here. This is a coach's persona. In coach's persona, I guess what you are asking for is, can he select a particular kid and in one shot see that ये कभी आया और कभी नहीं आया.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो अगर वो करना है, if you believe that people do look at it that way, then it is all right. But I believe that coach will not sit and look at it that way, that ये बच्चा कौन से दिन आया था और कौन से दिन नहीं आया था.
So yeah, fair enough. I was just thinking if it was.
No, I actually think they will.
Okay,
Even
then,
I think they will. Even
so
I
so
think they will.
so I the better this thing is that I will accept the point. Now, Prasad, then the UI which will solve your problem is that you have a calendar view with a filtering criteria directly on top of the calendar view, so that whether he is looking for a specific student or a group of 2 3 4 students also he can put, or he is looking for anything else that is directly visible on the calendar. समझ गया ना? हाँ. If we have to actually define कि coach का what are the needs. So one of the need to know the attendance of a particular student that is unserved right now. What I would suggest, Jigar and Rahul and everybody, is, can you look at this from the coach's angle and say कि कोच को ये चाहिए रहेगा, कहाँ से मिलेगा, कोच को वो चाहिए रहेगा, कहाँ से मिलेगा, so that वो gaps है वो प्रसाद plug कर देगा.
Sure.
Sure.
So there are 2-3 things which I don't know, Rahul Prasad, if you're working on them yet or we've missed out. One is, how will a coach start and pause a particular package for a particular client?
I don't think he has reached there.
So that's
Second piece is that when we're looking at all the players or all the people who are participating in that batch of through that academy, where can the academy or the coach see a snapshot of all the payments, what discounts, because at times a coach also gives discounts depending on the client, right? They give discounts also.
That
Right,
will be visible with the modification of the existing scheme, where just like you are previously you had seen the screens where for a particular discount code or for a campaign, who all bought it and how much you ended up kind of maximum minimum spending on that campaign in the form of discount, वो screens है, वही component हो गए. For the coach the components remain the same because coach is effectively a playing ground.
Sure. No, but he'll be able to see his revenue also, right? That from
of course, just
from,
like a ground.
Okay.
cool. Then I think that's for the.
And the third thing is on the first page that you presented. In that there were free trial sessions. We also need to add in, which I don't think will be a big thing, but is who the coach or the academy needs to call back. Which users of Playbook have asked for a call back.
Okay.
No, I think callback means the same. Like if someone wants to inquire more, you mean?
So we are giving an option in the front end, that if a parent wants to talk to the academy or the coach before signing up, they have an option to request a call.
Request a call.
Prasad, go to the screen where on the left side you were showing all the events notification wala ek piece tha na. Go to that screen, because this part, the way it is to be addressed is that on the left navigation you will see all the events including a chat widget integrated into this sort of this thing. So imagine that, for example, the color code blue over here is an inquiry. Imagine, see, there are multiple colors over here. These are different events that have come. Okay, so for example, the first yellow event means payment made, suppose. Then the blue is, for example, an inquiry done. So typical way in which such a thing should be done is, there are ready-made chat widgets. Those chat widgets should be stuck on the website or even in the app. when the guy raises question through the chat widget, then that chat widget becomes available as a part of that recent activity, which is in a way this view is little different, but this view, Prasad, should be more like the chat widget जो
Understood.
हमने हाँ जो हमने
So
ऐप में
whose
किया
eyes are we seeing this from now, Kaushal? If
right,
you
right, right now this is admin as you see on top.
means the playbook admin.
No, this
Playdate admin. Correct this once and for all, na Prasad? Yeah, this is a long pending point that the names are not reflecting which persona, so it's confusing everybody.
Yeah, so just write instead of admin Rahul, if you can write playbook
ये
admin.
लिखो because this is long, like 2-3 weeks. This has been kind of left out. So this is a playbook admin.
Okay.
In a coach's screen, you will see coach, but he will see the same screen effectively. Uh,
So playbook admin is basically God, right? You can see everything.
प्लेबुक एडमिन इज गॉड. वो किसी के प्रोफाइल पे भी जाएगा तो प्रोफाइल पे जाके चेक करेगा तो ये बंदे ने क्या किया उसको राइट हैंड साइड
Correct. समझ गया.
कोच को सिर्फ वही दिखेगा जो लोग है. सी द फिल्टरिंग क्राइटेरिया इज सिंपल. मी एज अ पर्सन, मेरा क्लाइंट कौन है? दिस इज द आंसर. मेरे क्लाइंट के प्रोफाइल पे मैं मेरे क्लाइंट पे क्लिक करूंगा तो मैं उसके प्रोफाइल पे जाऊंगा. उसके प्रोफाइल पे मुझे क्या मिलना चाहिए? एवरीथिंग, इंक्लूडिंग उसके recent activities, including secretly recorded activities also. For example, he considered playing this game, but then later on he abandoned. तो वो भी यहाँ पर होना चाहिए. ठीक है?
On the right hand side,
Now,
the recent activity.
on the right hand side, and
Okay.
the way it would be structured is that we will have a separate code which will be triggering events. So this is like a channel which receives events. Now, once you have written this right hand side code, it keeps receiving events. Today and the start, you have say 5 events. Somebody signed up, somebody made the payment, somebody created a game, somebody asked a question. Then tomorrow, those 5 events we will make into 20 events. Why so? Because now the core product is over and now we have more time and now we are trying to assist the marketing team in better conversions. ठीक है, तो अपन ने और 5 नए इवेंट्स लिखे. वो नए इवेंट्स क्यों लिखे? बिकॉज मार्केटिंग टीम ने अपने को बोला कि बस कैन यू गिव मी अ ट्रैक ऑफ हाउ मेनी पीपल एटलीस्ट वंस क्लिक्ड ऑन सर्च एंड ट्राई टू सर्च फॉर समथिंग. ठीक है, तो मैंने बोला ठीक है. मतलब द लैंग्वेज बिटवीन द मार्केटिंग टीम एंड द प्रोग्रामिंग टीम इज दैट वो बोलता है कि यार एक इवेंट देना मेरे को, जब भी कोई सर्च करेगा ना तो मेरे को यहाँ पर दिखना चाहिए कि किसने क्या सर्च किया. ठीक है, so now I will create that into an event and feed this event into that person's channel. The same way I go on creating more and more events and they start lining up over here. So since this channel is related to this person, it's now just a question of who has access to this person. So the coach जिसका ये client है, he has the access. If the policy is that the ground on which the coach is coaching, they also should have access. Then the ground will also see. But Playbook, being the creator of the product, will see everything.
And you're leaving that option dynamic to Playbook to give access to whoever they want to give access for this particular page, right?
No, so give access translates to a kind of a binary situation. Me as a Playbook admin, I have access. I don't have to give myself. Coach as the owner of the customer has access. He doesn't have to, you are not stopping him. The only other intermediary is the ground, which is different from the coach.
So I think
See, at
this answers
meta,
the question of data.
it answers the question of data. At a meta level, you have to see this thing as the authority of. There is an authority structure. The authority structure is that who is your subscriber. So why am I calling him a subscriber? Because you are a SaaS product. So the guy who subscribes the SaaS product is your subscriber. You will call him ground guy. I am calling him subscriber to the SaaS product. Playdate admin is the owner of the SaaS product.
I playbook.
प्लेबुक सॉरी यार, ये बहुत सारा प्लेबुक बहुत होता है।
और
इनफैक्ट एवरी
साला
टाइम आई
आइडिया
राइट,
भी, और अपना आइडिया भी सेम है, सोचो।
हाँ, तो प्ले और क्या होता है, एवरी टाइम आई राइट प्लेबुक कॉन्शियसली ऑल्सो नो, उसमें प्ले डेट में 2 Y है, तो प्लेबुक में भी 2 Y आ जाता है।
नहीं नहीं।
So now, let me come back to, so as the SaaS product, your subscriber is the ground guy, and that subscriber further has a customer who is in coach is or coaching academy, or coach is also a subscriber, and then you have another role which is the user. ठीक है, so the relation is between 3 people: SaaS product, subscriber, and user. The platform always owns everybody. ठीक है, तो if you are a Zomato restaurant, then Zomato may give you that तुम्हारा मेनू किसने देखा, उसका मे बी बैक एंड पे कुछ तो देता रहेगा Zomato वो रेस्टोरेंट को, लेकिन Zomato को सब दिखता है। तो वो 3 वे रिलेशनशिप हो गया। सेम आपका भी होगा कि प्लेडेट कैन सी ऑन एनी प्रोफाइल फॉर एनी सब्सक्राइबर हु आर हिज कस्टमर्स, एंड किसी एक कस्टमर के पास जाके ट्राई उसके अंदर देखेगा, तो उसको उस कस्टमर का क्या एक्टिविटी है वो तो देखेगा ही, बट इन एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द प्रोफाइल समवेयर at the ground level also there will be an activity stream, the same way as you have on Envision the comments. एक मिनट प्रसाद जाना Envision का comments पे। One second. So keep it. So now imagine that playbook admin CMS, ये मेरा board है। You all are part of this board, that's why you are able to see this. However, I have other boards also. On those boards, you as grounds are not there. तो उधर आपको पता नहीं चलेगा उधर क्या चल रहा है। ठीक है, now on this, comments are arriving like a stream, so that I am able to see किसने क्या किया, and which is kind of visible to me even if I am not participating. Same way, a ground will be able to see a common one. एक तो प्रोफाइल है कि ये यूजर ने क्या किया, तो वो यूजर के ही जो इवेंट्स है उसको उस यूजर के प्रोफाइल पे मिलते हैं, लेकिन बाहर एक टाइमलाइन जैसा रहेगा, और वो टाइमलाइन पे रहेगा रौनक ने ये सर्च किया, फलाने ने वो सर्च किया, ढिमकाने ने ये पेमेंट किया, and that is like a continuous stream which nobody is watching, but if something interesting comes up then it will be kind of picked up over there like a moving screen. Why are we making this? Because when you publish an event, it is pickable by any receiver. ठीक है, so the receiving is just a filtering criteria. So if you have a profile of an individual, it will only receive the events which are meant for it, but there will be another channel where all the events that belong to that particular subscriber, not to a particular profile but to a particular subscriber, will be picked up in that channel. And then because everything is picked up on that channel, तो उसका flow देख के the marketing guys may actually get some sort of a sense that मेरे product में ये चल रहा है. Suppose for example they again and again see people searching in a particular way, it will give them a view that we should run a marketing campaign like this. ठीक है,
Yeah, okay.
Nice.
It's a little, it was a little complicated towards the end, but I'm sure like when it, we will be going through this again at some point, right? Like,
No, I think it comes important when if you ever want to give, like, you know how at the end of the year Spotify gave the songs you listen to the most, and all, and then and Swiggy gave, like, you know, what food you ordered the most when you get, I mean, stuff like that can keep coming out.
no,
And
it's
out data, right?
I know it's monitoring user trend, which
Correct.
helps in target marketing. I get that, but I'm just saying the whole flow and like how it was. I'm a little confused by. It's okay. We don't need to go into the depth of it. I'm sure when eventually once it's Kaushal, when we sit on Friday, something like this will be discussed again, right?
हाँ, बट मुझे ये नहीं समझा कि मतलब, सो complicated part was the
नहीं
worry,
नहीं
or you didn't get what it is? Because the point that we were really discussing was
हाँ
कि what is the ownership structure over data and who
हाँ.
sees what.
So that I understood. I'm
हाँ.
saying what the flow was a little like I got lost in the flow a little bit, you know, but it's
अच्छा,
fine. It's fine.
It's
एक
It's
it's a
सेकंड
good
मैं
thing.
आपको
It's a good
एक
thing.
सेकंड
Product में खो गया.
मैं प्रोडक्ट में एक सेकंड हाँ. एक काइनेक्ट में एक सेकंड हाँ. अब पवन, एक काइनेक्ट में एक वो जो कॉमन राइट हैंड साइड में एक बार आता है ना, जहाँ पे सभी साइट का क्या एक्टिविटी चल रहा है वो दिखता है, वो अभी कोई लाइव साइट का विजिबल होगा क्या टाइमलाइन? है क्या? Can you come on Prasad's computer and can you log into that to show, because it will give a imagination to what we are discussing over here.
Kaushal, sorry to deviate, but has Play Date made an app or no?
No, they have
no.
not.
Also, I have another question regarding the coaching stuff. Once we are done with this, when we go back to it, I can put it out.
He's giving you credential or what? अच्छा, okay. करता हूँ मैं हर्ष. ये ना eventually this will help. मतलब I'll tell you how I'm seeing, and Jigar, this is part of that original first long call that we had. कि
Okay.
ultimately you want to link, see, once events are codified, when I say codified it means that this particular event happened.
Hmm.
For example, somebody searched for football and then he didn't book a game,
Correct.
so now it is codifiable that since I have the event कि he searched, I also have the event कि he searched for football. ठीक है, so
Hmm.
मेरा एक marketing template ready रहेगा.
Yeah.
What I am going to do is, over next 1 or 2 weeks, at appropriate frequency, whenever there is a slot available, I will send email to that guy only who searched for that ground, that particular football game or something.
Correct.
Hmm. So the events, since we are going to have events,
Hmm.
this is by the way not part of your original scope, but we are going to have events.
Hmm.
So we have intentionally plugged in this right side timeline kind of activity, so that initially individually by going into profile you can make out what is this guy up to,
Hmm.
but eventually you link it to automated code, so that uh, somebody who played often, you give him some little bit of reward point and make him feel good. Somebody who only searches and then doesn't do anything, so you first give him reminder 2 3 4, and then you start offering him 10% 20% discount until he books the first game.
Hmm.
ठीक है,
Hmm.
तो ऐसा एक फुल ऑन मार्केटिंग ऑटोमेशन का पीस बाद में बिल्ड होना चाहिए, जो कंटिन्यूअसली अपने आप मेल्स भेजते जा रहा है, एंड यू आर मॉनिटरिंग व्हाट इज द कन्वर्जन रेट ऑफ दिस मार्केटिंग पीस इटसेल्फ.
Perfect. No, no, this is, we are already like, and I'll just quickly tell you, we do this, but it's done with so much reliance on our people on the ground. So currently, what we do is that everybody who calls and inquires for a particular slot and doesn't get that slot because it's obviously filled by a regular anything, we put their name on an Excel sheet for that particular day, which is then subdivided into timelines, like say 8 to 10. Then you put out there that, okay, 1 hour before, 1 hour after. So next time, when that particular slot, which is 8 to 10 on a given day, gets cancelled, we know exactly who to call, to see if they want to play or not. They may say no, but you're doing focus marketing, right? Like you're focusing on people who have previously inquired or searched. In our case, inquired, but in this case, will be searched for that particular slot and haven't got it.
तो
So
ये
next
तो
time,
फिर steroids पे चला जाएगा. With this mechanism, this will go on steroids because you know that you are sending a targeted SMS that ground has become available. Do you want to play game?
It'll do that also, and I think
no,
our
I'm just
claim
telling
of
you as to how we
use
function
cancellation.
today, which is so
Correct, correct.
haphazard. But it's a similar concept, right? It's target marketing with
Correct.
understanding trends of people, user trends on who's doing what are they interested in, activity. It's all of this, right? That's exactly what this is for, correct?
Data, man.
Um, Sorry to interrupt you, but I'm
Yeah,
sharing
man.
my screen.
Yeah, no problem, please.
So this is the dashboard where there is a timeline activity of what is happening inside a business.
Okay.
So for example, a patient would send a survey and he accepted that survey. So the name of that patient was something Jennifer Porter. So this kind of activity timeline is available to a site. Usually it's much more fine grained, but not all events are not all data is shown in an event, but we have all the data associated with a particular event. For example, an appointment was rescheduled. So when it was rescheduled, who rescheduled it, when it was requested for reschedule, that kind of data is captured and shown in a tooltip.
Okay.
Yes. Uh,
So this is Pawan. You are saying this is real data, right? For
yes, yes,
Victoria Dental.
yes, this is a live website in production.
Okay. So
So
if you are not, let me just now kind of So Ronak, you will notice that ये COVID screening survey accepted. Uh, yeah. So because as a part of the process, they have a back and forth on twice. They have to check some temperatures and all that. So and then these surveys are given out and all that. And it is important for the back end staff to know कि इसको सर्वे भेजा था तो उसने रिस्पॉन्ड किया था कि नहीं because it is a legal requirement. So this timeline makes easy for the backend staff because they know that कौन से बंदे को क्या भेजा था उसके बाद में उसने क्या फॉलो अप किया. फॉर एग्जांपल टेम्परेचर स्कैन हुआ. टेम्परेचर स्कैन अगर एक बार होता है विद इन एक्सेप्टेबल रेंज है वो डिवाइस से ऑटोमेटिकली आता है. तब जाके हम उसको उसका जो स्केड्यूल है वो एक्सेप्ट करते हैं मतलब अपॉइंटमेंट उसको सेंड करते हैं. अपॉइंटमेंट सेंड करने के पहले उसको ये अपॉइंटमेंट सेंड करने के बाद एक बार वो एक्सेप्ट करता है. उसके बाद में उसको ये सर्वे भेजा जाता है. वो सर्वे वो लेके क्लिक करके अगर वो उसका रिस्पॉन्स आ गया है then that guy is supposed to come into the facility, otherwise not. So you will find that all of this will flow in the timeline. Pawan Jan over. Is there a temperature event anywhere captured? Mostly they are appointment reschedule only because it is coming from automated data from other software which is capturing the data over here. आवाज नहीं है तेरा. You are muted.
this data is synced on an hourly basis for more than 28,000 patients. So that's why
Okay.
ये ऐसे events हैं.
So basically ये विक्टोरिया कोड डेंटल का कॉमन डेटा है. And Jigar, this is addressing your point of confusion. कि Victoria Dental is one agency. It has multiple sites, like you will have multiple grounds, and this is a common screen for all messages. That's why you see appointment reschedule ke hi messages because that's the most frequent activity at the level of Victoria Dental. But if you go to any particular site of theirs, then you will find more varying activity, and if you go to a particular patient तो उसका पूरा चिट्ठी मिलेगा, हिस्ट्री मिलेगा.
Correct. Correct.
किसी पेशेंट पे जा सकता है क्या पवन? उसका टाइमलाइन दिख सकता है क्या?
वैसा ही टाइम हमने ICI में बिल्ड किया है, मैं वो दिखाऊं?
हाँ वो दिखाओ ना.
ओके, तो जैसे कि एक मेरा माइक, यस,
This is real
जैसे कि
data, right? Yeah. Okay.
हेलो,
Is this real data?
यस यस, ये रियल डेटा है
Okay.
बेसिकली.
So let me just see. So you notice over here that login new session created.
Yeah.
सब लॉगिन इवेंट्स ही है पवन.
ये जैसे
हाँ एक सेकंड. हाँ मेंबर प्रोफाइल अपडेटेड. और कोई नए इवेंट पे जाओ.
है यहाँ पे कुछ पेमेंट के इवेंट्स भी हैं, सक्सेसफुल पेमेंट ऑफ फॉर स्पॉन्सरशिप एप्लीकेशन.
हाँ successful payment of $1,995 for sponsorship application. So I am just trying to show you that there are different kinds of events which are registered in a particular guy's timeline. His login is also noted, his payments are also noted, his change or updation of profile also is noted over here.
And this will be, again, sorry if I'm asking the same question again. This will be visible for the coach also, for playbook admin also, correct?
So I will give you a generic answer
Huh.
that playbook admin owns every profile. And on whoever's profile he goes, he will see all their activities.
Correct.
Coach owns his customers, so he will be able to go on their profile. And on whoever's profile you are able to go, his data you will be able to see. So the controlling factor is not कि किसको क्या दिखाने का है. कंट्रोलिंग फैक्टर इज कि कौन किसका कस्टमर है.
समझ गया. Fair. That's fair point. And the reason why playbook admin is God is because everybody eventually is playbook's customer, correct?
That's right.
Yeah. Matlab, it can be customer's customer, but that means it's still my customer, as in like
Yes,
playbook's customer.
that's right.
Because we made the product though.
Yeah.
In fact मतलब the way you should be, ये तो बाद में monetization models में आ जाएगा, but आप है ना at some point किसी का तो आवाज को ये हो रहा है को. हाँ पवन तेरे को म्यूट कर रहा हूँ मैं.
ओके.
So the monetization, the way you would look upon this as is that imagine that you are giving this ground some additional facility. One ground, for example, one subscriber has multiple grounds, 5, 7, etc. And then you also say that boss, I will give you a separate marketing piece. This is a booking piece. This just enables you to have make your inventory available over here and get bookings and so on. But I will give you a separate layer of automated targeted marketing so that anybody who search for that keyword and he happens to be near you, for next couple of weeks he will get 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of messages and it may help you in your conversion. However, you as my subscriber in the gold plan just get booking, whereas in your my platinum plan you will get this automated marketing which will increase your conversion targeting etc also by a certain extent as another free element. वो बोलेगा ठीक है but this is not good enough for me to pay you to get myself listed. So then you say that okay, if there are coaching academies, I am giving you the attendance system also, which will help you sort of monetize on the pay per kid rather than pay for the ground rent. This is how eventually for your subscribers you will build the feature set in such a way that the gold has only some features available and the platinum has some other features available.
Good point. Are you going to be free for a couple of months?
Uh,
Then you can go and onboard everybody for us.
uh, no, I am a product guy. I will be giving you ideas, and when I build this product, when we structure these products, na,
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
time I would have kept a wedge so that modularized way when
Hmm.
eventually we come to the point where the discussion has not even started, but eventually when we reach there, we will have an easy way to build an extension into the product so that वो जो automated targeting targeted marketing का piece भी अपने आप बनता जाए without adjusting the previously existing software.
Yes, yes.
I,
Even like you can even see like, I'm sure you, like when you go into one individual's profile, their recent activities on like, how many points they are like, the not the 1:1 ratio where they are putting money to use that for games, but like those freebie points that we will be giving out where the ratio will be like how we had discussed, right? Like it can be 30p, 40p uh per point or something like that. You know what we were discussing, right? Like how cred has like 5 lakh points, but that equivalent to only like maybe 500 rupees or 5,000 rupees, uh something like
5000 कभी देता ही नहीं है साला 500 ही रहेगा उसका.
हाँ मैं सिर्फ बोल रहा हूँ कि
While we were talking, I got a notification of about cred. 200
so
mil.
no, my point is that you can see their activities for anything and everything is what I'm trying to say, correct? Like,
हाँ तो इसका ना again जिगर I will loop you back onto the mix point panel point that we had discussed very initially,
okay.
that these events today we are going to use to create a timeline so that manually you are able to form your own ideas and opinions. But
Correct.
eventually we will take a call. The
Hmm.
call will be this, that do we build a small portion of the automated marketing campaigns by tracking our events and based on events shoot emails etc, or define some 50 or 100 events, and every time that event happens on our platform, feed that event into a product called Mixpanel. And since that product automatically gives you forms cohorts, for example,
Hmm.
so हमको यहाँ पर हजामत करना पड़ेगा और मिक्स पैनल में ऑलरेडी एक कोहोर्ट रहेगा, anybody who searched 3 times continuously
Hmm.
but did not convert.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो आप क्या करोगे फिर कि आपने एक रूल बना लिया कि anybody who searched 3 times and did not convert equal to shoot this mail,
Okay.
and then you linked both of them, so now you created a work process or workflow.
Hmm. Hmm.
ठीक है. Now tomorrow you see that यार ये workflow है ना, it's an irritant. Because my marketing team was not very smart enough, but I should have, I should have made it more granular, that not just searching, because sometimes people just search for the heck of it, but I will say that after searching, if we clicked on a particular grounds profile, then that is a separate cohort, and that cohort I will send more mails because that was more likely to convert, whereas somebody who just searched, so I will send only one email.
Fair, fair.
So
But these
ये,
are these are all permutation combination that we can fix it up, and then the system will just auto send things, right? Like,
हाँ, this my point was that this has to be fed into a third party product called Mixpanel, because as your marketing becomes more and more sophisticated,
hmm.
either you will build the whole thing in house. So if I'll be glad, it will keep my bread and butter running for next couple of years.
Hmm. Hmm.
बट आइडियली वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए. आइडियली देर आर रियली गुड प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. सो अभी से हम इवेंट्स को ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर करेंगे कि on some D day we decide that apart from feeding those events into our channels where our marketer is able to just see and then use his own brain, we will also start feeding that into mix panel, so that the same marketing guy, when he lands in mix panel has done all sort of processing and he's giving him all sort of reports and cohorts which he starts then. So if you get a great marketing guy, वो mix panel में जाके he will be able to get tremendous insights on your micro segments.
Sure, sure. No, that's brilliant actually. And you're right. Initially, we can just use another software or like something that is a product which is ready, and then see how we move ahead in the future.
हाँ, because वो उधर पे आप आपका conversion matrix define करोगे, and if that automated marketing is actually leading to any better conversions, then basically you know how much revenue you stand to gain by doing this activity, even if you were to build it in house. But अगर वो mix panel में है तो it is supposedly a great product, so you should not be doing it. It is better to give $20 per user. You will
Hmm.
have 5 7 marketing users, तो $200 भी अगर होता है तो it makes more sense because it immediately becomes active. बरसों तक आप सॉफ्टवेयर बनाओ, उससे अच्छा है वो डायरेक्टली यूज कर लेने का.
Correct. Correct. Good, fair enough. Can we go back to that one point I wanted to actually make
Sure.
for coaching? And it's a small point. Right now we're looking at it from a like the academy slash coach perspective. What Rahul Prasad ran us through. One of my questions there was, so we also are going to give academy slash coaches who are not on playbook facilities. So, say for example, if I'm a Zumba teacher or a yoga teacher, which and I'm conducting sessions from my own home, right? If I want to basically, I just want to use this as a listing platform. Uh, is that also will they have we reached that step, or that is something that is going to be added to this particular backend page that we went through today?
It is not added.
Okay, but it will be added, right, to
Its
this.
structure is already there. That's what Prasad is saying. That its structure is there, but it's not visible over here.
Okay.
Uh, Prasad, I think you should continue this journey towards that. कि how a coach who is not aligned to a ground, who is simply declaring himself to be a coach, तो वो किधर से आएगा? और फिर जब वो अपना कोचिंग एकेडमी डालेगा, तो उसने जो वेन्यू डाला है, वो वेन्यू नेसेसरीली ग्राउंड सिलेक्शन नहीं है. इट इज जस्ट एन एड्रेस. ठीक है, दैट्स हिज पॉइंट, which is very easily addressable in the structure that we have. Nothing changes for us.
Sure, sure.
We have just a concept that verified ground is a subscriber. Okay, and what is not a ground is a venue. अभी वो हॉल हो सकता है, घर हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. I think that's about it.
Yeah, it should be. Unless we
Yeah.
miss.
That will basically then show that on whatever is inputted here will then show on the front end, right, as a listing, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We will create a distinction between what is a ground so that when somebody searches for football, it appears over there.
Mm-hmm.
And suppose somebody is coaching football in his house,
Mm.
that house should not appear over there because it is not a verified ground, it's a venue.
Yes.
When we ask him for the address, even if he, suppose there is a Pune based guy and that ground or that thing, whatever it is not covered by you, in the sense that
Yeah.
it is not your subscriber. ठीक है,
Correct.
तो उसने वहां वो ग्राउंड का पूरा एड्रेस लिखा होगा, एवरीबडी नोज इट एज अ ग्राउंड, बट इन आवर क्लासिफिकेशन इट विल कम एज वेन्यू.
Unverified venue, correct?
करेक्ट
That.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
Yes.
करेक्ट.
And otherwise it can be, so it can be unverified ground and verified ground, like that's the distinction you will create, correct?
Yes.
Okay, verified.
एनीथिंग अनवेरीफाइड इज अ वेन्यू बिकॉज वी डोंट नो दैट ये ग्राउंड है कि नहीं है.
Yeah.
और अगर वो वेरीफाइड है, सिंस वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेरीफाई समबडीज फ्लैट, सो
Yeah.
वेरीफाइड है मतलब ग्राउंड है.
Correct. Correct. So I'm saying we'll there will be a visual distinction also for that,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Like,
yes, yes, yes.
okay. And last question is, obviously the terms and conditions for the two will be different. So because we won't take any liability or anything, we're just being for the unverified venues, like we cannot take any के वो condition में है, बराबर condition में है, not. In fact, we cannot take that for any ground, right? If we are just giving our platform. Am I right in saying that?
Yeah, that's right. So,
Okay.
I didn't understand.
No, no. Sometimes what happens is, as a, like, and as ground owners, we face this issue, is that say a child like gets injured, or
हाँ,
someone gets injured while playing.
हाँ.
Uh, again, this is a very detailed one or two scenarios, but उसमें क्या होता है कि the parent or that particular group
Hmm.
whose son, even if it's an adult, whose
Hmm.
spouse or whatever, they put a claim on the ground, you know.
They
So
do play a claim.
they put a claim. I mean, so now what we started doing, initially ये बहुत पहले होता था. Now what we started doing is that with our booking confirmations only, like, you know, there's a disclaimer and an indemnity thing, an auto indemnity thing that goes out, which says that we are not liable for so and so, and, like, you know, it's
बराबर
in
है.
fine print is there. But what I mean to say is that like today, like say anybody who's coming as vendor partner on Playbook,
Hmm.
say who's subscribing as a ground or as a coach or as an academy, Playbook will, like, we will obviously do some level of like, you know, verification process, to which then we will, whether then we'll say whether we won the ground or not won the ground, correct, like,
Correct.
on our platform. So that when academies and coaches are doing it independently, where they're just listing themselves and listing a particular venue which is unverified, do the terms and conditions have to be different for that? Is what my question was.
I think there should not be. There should. I think here is how it should be.
Hmm.
There will be your standard terms and conditions for the end user.
Okay.
Similarly, there will be a standard terms and condition for your subscriber, the ground which is enlisting itself on your platform.
Okay.
These will be available as links on the website. They will be available in the footer. And then, for example, every time somebody signs up as a user, तो वो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन का लिंक उसको अवेलेबल है, वो एक्सेप्ट करे या नहीं करे, वो इट इज मतलब वहां पर टिक है तो उसने एक्सेप्ट किया है.
Okay.
उसके बाद में when he tries to actually book something, when he books a game, he gets a booking confirmation which goes in the form of invoice. It will also go in the form of an email. तो वो email में नीचे bottom पे disclaimer, indemnity and terms and condition relevant to this booking, तो
Hmm.
उसका एक छोटा write up होगा, मतलब boiler plate, और उसमें
Hmm.
वो terms and condition का link फिर से होगा, और वो क्लिक करेगा तो it will land on to that same terms and condition that he had agreed for on the sign up.
Okay. Okay.
Essentially saying that, whether it is my ground or मैंने verify किया है नहीं किया है, you and anything happens to you on the ground, it is not the responsibility of the platform.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Just now that, you know, we are also currently working with our legal team as well. I just wanted to ask you. I mean, I don't know how this will happen, but wherever you need, like, you know, a detailed, like, terms and conditions, disclaimers, and stuff that need to go in, you know, in a certain particular section, can you tell us so then we can start preparing those also? Because we will have to come back and give you all that copy, right? Which you will then put it.
So, so the way work happens is, uh, it will be presumed that एक user का और एक subscriber का agreement होगा.
Correct.
Just like we have lorem ipsum in design right now, not knowing what exact text I will put over there. Similarly, we will presume that there will be a legal document and it will be coming later. So work actually is not stalled because of that. We just say that at this point, there is
Hmm.
a terms and condition link over there.
Hmm.
Right now, it is lorem ipsum. Whenever you feel like and whatever is your business policy, just make sure that there is a agreement over in place over there, और उसका टेक्स्ट मुझे दे दो तो मैं वहां पर वो बॉयलर प्लेट की जगह वो रिप्लेस कर दूंगा.
Fair. No, no, that I know, but
हाँ.
I'm saying then you can start sending these things to us, like what all you need, because, or we'll have to just go through this Envision thing and start preparing it, because all this will also take time, you know, like everybody, it's not going to happen instantly. So
So if you मतलब
I
there
know
are
it's maybe too soon right now,
no, it's
but
not. You can there are only two terms and conditions.
hmm,
The subscribers of the SaaS product, which is the grounds.
okay,
So, for example, somebody paid partial payment and they did not turn up, then it is not your responsibility. These are the things that you in the business will be dealing with your other grounds.
yeah,
ये agreement कहीं पे होना चाहिए. और दूसरा, end user who comes and from the that he came in but the ground was not available to him, to the point of he getting cancelled contingently. All those are user related terms and policies.
Correct.
Okay. This is the second agreement. These two agreements I know for sure that will be there in the product. तो आप ये बना के रखना. I am presuming that they will be there, and accordingly, wherever there is a link, we will point it to a particular URL
Mm.
where eventually we will put the actual agreement over there on that URL.
Okay. Okay. So one is with your for the SaaS model and one is with the end user, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And SaaS model is essentially for ground/academy/coach, whoever.
Correct.
Okay, cool. Cool. All right. I don't have any further questions or any queries.
Yeah, I'm good.
Kaushal, did you manage to speak to like आपका बात हुआ कुणाल से
नहीं,
फिर?
मैं करने वाला हूँ अभी.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
मेरे साइड से रह गया, मैं करने.
Okay, so just update us, yeah, when
Yeah,
possible.
yeah, I'll do that. Yes.
Okay, thank you. And
Okay.
Friday is on, right? Friday.
Yeah, if if they मेरे साइड से ऑन है, and irrespective of whether बंद है या चालू है, we will meet.
One में कुछ नहीं है. I just saw the roads are all jam packed. So now,
Exactly.
हाँ हम लोग को, but they're only doing surprise checks in some offices. So just cross your fingers. That's it.
Nice. So good. Now we are imprisoned for a day, then we'll have a great jam session. Our whole product will get thrashed out.
No, you don't get evidence for a day. It gets, your office gets sealed.
अरे भाई, अच्छा, he's saying even if we are taken in,
I
then
know.
we can take a chalk and
Correct.
draw on the walls of the jail.
At least our dying this activity will be kind of
Finish the product.
we died designing the product.
Sports हम लोग का नाम आएगा फिर. Sport.
हाँ, Power League.
चलो.
ठीक है, चलो, okay.
Okay, guys. Thank
All
you.
right, guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.